guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monia and today we will be doing a contrasting eye makeup look. So I want to do royal blue and bright orange and do something editorial, but you can still wear it out to a fun party or club. It's a very summery look because orange is hot and royal blue is hot, so why not put them together and make it fierce. So my face is done. It is beat, snatched, bam. We're gonna focus on the eyes and I got something kind of fun to play around with. So let's get it. Before we get started with any of that good, I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair back. Before we start applying eyeshadow, we're gonna coat the under eye with some powder to catch any of the excess that may fall off. So with my Y11, I'm gonna dip into my Hourglass Mineral Veil. Okay, they are looking quite symmetrical. So the lids have been primed, they've been set, so let's get started. I will be using, for the most part, the Soft Glam. I'm gonna start building my base by using an E27, dipping into the color Orange Soda. And I'm gonna go ahead and essentially place this all over the lid and then slowly blend it out to the tail of my eyebrow. Next, I'm gonna dip into Burnt Orange to give it more dimension and keeping it in the crease as well. And with my smallest blending brush, my M562, I'm gonna dip into Sienna and keep this on the outer V of the eye. And then work it up. Ooh, that's looking good. And I'm gonna dip into Sienna again. And since I've built out the outer crease, I'm gonna bring it over the top of my lid and kind of really deepen that eye socket. Now, the lid is gonna have this bright, fiery orange placed all over it. I kind of swatched it earlier. So stunning. And it's called Monkey Business by ColourPop. And I'm gonna get a flat tip brush, M166, and dip into this. This is very, very creamy. Coat the brush. And then I'm gonna tap it on top of the lid. Oh yes. Once I've built up that lid, I'm gonna take that color and I'm gonna dab it upwards to blend it into that beautiful crease we just created and have the eye look get married together. And now we are gonna dip into Burnt Orange again with the M562 blending brush. And we're gonna smoke out our bottom lash. And we're gonna take a little bit of Sienna and just keep it on the outer edge of that lower lash line. Now with my M213, I'm gonna dip into the ColourPop Monkey Business and start placing it on the bottom lash line. And then I'm gonna go back in with my M562, place no color on it, and just blend it out. I have the YSL Vinyl Couture Mascara in blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust off this side of the eye really quick. Now that I've dusted the under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and put the mascara Vinyl Couture on my lashes. Bright blue. Ooh. So that's just one layer. I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna tackle this eye and I'll be right back, baby. All right, guys, this is the final look. It's giving me black light party vibes, but I am loving it. Got a sample size and it is legit. You just need one coat. That's all you need, and it will give you pigment. I am living for orange and blue. Another thing to do, instead of orange, you could keep it with the blue and really emphasize this look. I didn't have any blue lip product, but if you got mermaid thighs from Fenty Beauty's new lip gloss kit, it would emphasize the black light alien-esque exotic look, and you would kill it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and until next time, bye guys. I'm a dee-da-boo-die, I'm a dee-da-boo-die, and I'm a dee-da-boo-die, I'm a dee-da-boo-die, and I'm a dee-da-boo-die, I'm a dee-da-boo-die. Now listen up, here's the story.